Hey guys, it's Sagar from TechWorks, and I finally managed to purchase the OnePlus 8 Pro. I can't stress this enough that this is not a review unit. Like all the phones that you see on my channel, I've purchased it myself. I just went to one of the OnePlus experience stores and I was surprised that they had quite a few of these in stock. The catch was, they just had the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant and I got it for 59,999 rupees. Now I was planning to get the ultramarine blue color anyway, but the other people at the store who did not want the 12GB variant found themselves out of luck. The box is exactly like the one that the OnePlus 8 came in. There is 8 on top of the box and OnePlus 8 Pro on the left side. And on the right side, there is OnePlus branding in this new capital font. With that out of the way, let me tear the plastic off and let us take a look inside. As I lift the lid, first thing that we see is the OnePlus 8 Pro itself. Design of this 8 Pro mostly looks like that of the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to keep it aside while we take a look at other things in the box. The phone was sitting on this white box which contains an invitation to the Red Cable Club just as we saw in the OnePlus 8's unboxing. Then there is this leaflet containing all the SAR values, some stickers from OnePlus and other paperwork like Quick Start Guide, letter from CEO and safety information. And lastly, we have this happy looking SIM tray ejection pin. Then we get a thin transparent TPU case to protect your phone and it says never settle on its back. Under this case, there is this signature red USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And finally, we have the Warp Charger 30T. If I'm not wrong, this is the same charger that we got with the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 8. Those are all the things that we get in the box. Let me just keep all these things aside and we will get back to the phone. After removing the plastic and this sticker from the back, this is how the ultramarine blue color looks. It has a matte soft touch feel to it. And while I wasn't too sure about getting this color, I am glad that I did because it is growing on me. Now this phone is definitely bigger than the OnePlus 8 in all dimensions. It is taller and heavier, but my main concern is that it is also wider. It does get a curve to the back to make it easier to hold and the display is curved as well. But then, that raises a lot of other concerns for me. Last time I used the OnePlus 7 Pro and I hated the curved display because the palm rejection was not that great and there were too many accidental touches. I will have to use the 8 Pro for some more time to see if that is fixed or not. While this 8 Pro is booting up, let us take a look around it. Starting with the bottom, we get the SIM tray on the left, a microphone next to it, then there is the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and finally a speaker grill on the right. This SIM tray can hold 2 nano SIM cards one behind the other, and there is no microSD card slot to expand the storage further. On the right side, there is the power/sleep wake button and my favorite alert slider above it. At the top, there is just a noise cancelling microphone and this ridge as a part of the design of the phone. To the left, there are just the volume up and down buttons. We often overlook this, but all these buttons are very well built. They are made of metal, they don't rattle at all, and they are very tactile. Coming to the back, there is this OnePlus name in the new all capital font, the new logo above it, and then there are these cameras. This is a thick camera module and it sticks out quite a bit. Main camera gets a 48MP Sony IMX689 sensor with f1.78 aperture, 7-element lens and optical image stabilization. Next camera gets 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor with f2.2 aperture and 120° field of view. This camera can also take macro shots and this is how macro lens should be implemented. If you think this sensor sounds familiar, that is because it is the same sensor that the OnePlus 8 uses as its primary camera. Then there is this 8MP sensor with f2.44 aperture and a 3x telephoto lens. You can take up to 30x digitally zoomed images with this camera, and it also gets optical image stabilization. And finally, there is the controversial 5MP color filter camera with f2.4 aperture. This was the so-called X-ray camera that everyone was going crazy over. For some reason, OnePlus has disabled it on the Indian variant. Some people in the US who upgraded to the Oxygen OS 10.5.10 said that this camera was working for them again. But I have also upgraded to the same Oxygen OS 10.5.10 version and it is still disabled for me. I will be making a very detailed camera review of this phone in the next few days. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and have the notifications turned on. Coming to the front, there is this mammoth 6.78-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 3168 by 1440 pixels. The display has 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. It is curved at the edges, and while it looks very futuristic, I am still not a big fan of these curves. With these type of displays, light refracts at funny angles while watching videos, and there are too many accidental touches. A few people did report some issues with the display when the phone first came out, but I haven't seen any of them on my phone yet. The phones that are being sold in India are made here, and hopefully they have figured out a way and fixed the issue with this display. Above the display there is the speaker grill, and the selfie camera gets a punch hole style cutout. On the inside, 8 Pro packs in Snapdragon 865 processor and Adreno 650 GPU, 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.0 2-lane storage, and to back this all up, it gets a 4510 mAh battery. I am a bit worried about the battery performance because I am not too sure that this battery is enough to power this huge display at 120Hz all the time. When it is actually time to charge it up, the 30W warp charger makes sure to juice it up pretty quickly, and if you have the OnePlus wireless charger, it also supports 30W wireless charging. It is running on the latest version of Oxygen OS, which is built on top of Android 10, and if you are curious, you can even install the Android 11 beta on this phone. I have said this before, that Oxygen OS is one of my favorite operating systems. I love how simple and minimal it is, and it still gives us a lot of features. Now, I have had this phone for less than a day, so it is not enough time to check its overall performance or know about its battery life. So I will be spending much more time with this phone, and I will let you guys know more about its performance and the battery life in my full review. Right now, I can tell you that this is a huge phone, and if you have average size hands, you will have tough time using it. I'm really excited to test these cameras and compare them with the other phones that I have. If you are looking to buy this phone, it is going to be on sale from 15th June, and I will really appreciate if you guys buy it from the affiliate link in the description section. That is it for this video, guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.